Send data over Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a communication protocol which provides an affordable communication in personal area network. It provides a maximum data rate of 1 Mbps. It works in a nominal range of 100 meters, between 2 points, at 4 GHz frequency. In this video, we will learn how to send data to mobile phone using HC-05 Bluetooth module and Arduino. Here is the connection diagram of this project. HC-05 has 4 main pins: VCC, ground, RX, and TX. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. TX pin of HC-05 will transmit the data to the Arduino, so it will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino. RX pin of HC-05 will receive the data from Arduino, so it will be connected with the TX pin of Arduino. This is the code of our project. Void setup is a function in which we initialize the serial communication. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between HC-05 and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Serial.println, hello. This function will transmit hello message over Bluetooth. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. Connect the red, black, green, and yellow wire with the VCC, ground, TX, and RX pin of HC-05 Bluetooth module. Connect the red wire of HC-05 Bluetooth module with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the green wire with the RX pin, and yellow wire with TX pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. Download the app, Arduino Bluetooth Control, from the Play Store. We will pair our mobile phone with the HC-05 Bluetooth module. For doing this, go to Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Now select HC-05. Enter the passcode 1234. Now open the app. Connect with HC-05. Open the terminal. We can see that Arduino is giving data to HC-05 Bluetooth module, and HC-05 is transmitting this data to mobile phone. Mobile phone is displaying this data on the app screen. Our project is working as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.